Meaning of fallacious.
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 Fallacious. Fallacious refers to something that is misleading or false, often appearing to be logical or reasonable but actually based on incorrect assumptions or flawed reasoning. When something is fallacious, it can lead to erroneous beliefs or decisions. Fallacies in arguments can undermine their credibility and weaken their persuasiveness. Therefore, it is important to identify and avoid fallacies in order to maintain intellectual honesty and achieve accurate conclusions. Being able to recognize fallacious reasoning is an essential skill for critical thinking.